Welcome back guys with a brand new video, and in this video we will discuss about the type 1 PLL. So if you have ever been curious about how these circuits work or want to understand their applications better, you are in the right place. First thing, what exactly is a type 1 PLL? In simple terms, it's fundamental circuit used in electronics for, you can say, synchronization, frequency synthesis, and demodulation. Unlike other types, type 1 PLLs have some specific characteristics uh, that mentions the loop response, etc. Now, what's the basically core concepts behind the Type 1 PLL? Basically, it's a voltage controlled oscillator. You can say that is also work as a phase detectors and loop filter in detail. Understanding how these elements interact is crucial to grasping the functionality of PLL phase locked loop. So, and what are the applications of Type 1 PLLs? There are the wide range applications available in the markets relevant to the Type 1 PLLs. For example, it helps in the telecommunications to frequency modulations and in digital systems, and even in digital systems they play a vital role. So we will explore some real-world examples to illustrate their significance and how this circuitry works. We will also get to know that how its working principle going on. If you will see that this is simple XOR gates that we already discussed, that absorb phase detector. So, and this is an operational amplifier that is working with this, and once this we get high at the output of this XOR gate, this capacitor will be charged. Once this capacitor will be charged, then what happens in that case, the if I speed up the uh, current or simulation speed, you might get to know that some of the current will be go there and make this operational amplifier once in the runnings, and then it will take feedbacks and running for the whole life. And this is a circuitry which basically is taking the input vi and v out as the, you can say, feedback giving here. So this also giving us a type of feedback, and which helps us to make the circuit phase lock loop. And this is simple capacitors, you can say a power circuits R1 and R2. Basically, you can see here this operational amplifier is giving us the output, and some of the, if you will see here, that this feedback is blinking, and due to these feedbacks it's giving us every time a pure and pure and pure signal. So if you will see here, we have a 360 hertz input, this one, and this is the output one. Okay, it means it's filtering every time, and this is the voltages across these capacitors, that is 9 uf here, 9 uf capacitor voltages. That's why here it's always making it's blocking the DC and converting the AC into the DC and giving us this output. I hope you understand the working principle of the type 1 PLL. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe the channels and hit the bell icon.